Voice for our lovely county executive, Mr. Bruce Blakeman. Everyone, please stand up and make some noise. Come on, you guys can do better than that. Make some noise, everyone, clap it up. Clap, 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 clap. Come on, guys, we're all here to have a good time. I don't want to see anyone sitting down. Please stand up.
One more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this.
Love it, I love it.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, with one nation, under God, indivisible,
under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much. This is our year. Is Sheharyar going to win? Yeah! Listen, this is a year there are no federal candidates, there are no statewide candidates or countywide candidates. It's all about local government, the government that's closest to the people. So we have our county legislators, we have our town board members, we have some judges. So let me introduce to you, if I can, a few of the people who are with us. First of all, we have a man, a very distinguished attorney. Come January 1st, he'll be a member of the Supreme Court, the highest elected court in the state of New York, and that's Chris McGrath. Chris? We have a woman who has done an outstanding job in government as an assemblywoman in Albany, representing us here from Nassau County, as a town clerk, a supervisor. And listen, a few years ago, when we needed a strong candidate for town clerk on the town board, she came back. Kate Murray. Kate. We have the man who's going to bring the vote out in Valley Stream. All of you who come from the village of Valley Stream and many others, they're going to come out and support Sheharyar because the efforts of our committee and this man, the former mayor of Valley Stream, Johnny DeBrace. We also have Valley Stream trustee, John Cuffarelli, a trustee in the village. Now listen up 1 second. This is a very, very difficult race. The 3rd legislative district has many more people registered in the other party than in our party, where Sheharyar is our candidate. But if each and every one of us get out, from Joe Cairo to Bruce Blakeman to Kate Murray, to each and every one of us here tonight, listen, if we do it, if we get out and ask our friends and neighbors to come out and support this young man, who's an outstanding young man. He's an attorney. He grew up in Elmont, went to local schools. He deserves our support. But if we all do our job, each and every one of us, I see the Reverend here. Reverend, if you come out and get all your people on Central Avenue and Valley Street, Reverend is saying, if we all do our job, you know what we're going to do? We're going to elect Sheharyar Ali come this November 2nd. 2 years ago, in February, everybody said, this man, Republicans don't have a chance. The county executive is popular. She's very popular. She's doing a good job. But you know what? This man had the courage, the intestinal fortitude. He said, give me the opportunity and I will lead the team to victory. And he did. County Executive Bruce Blakeman. Come on, Bruce.
Thank you very much, Chairman. And thank you, Chairman, for all that you do for each and every one of us. Raising the money, getting the troops out, making the phone calls, going door to door, getting the absentee ballots. We're very blessed to have a chairman like Joe Cairo. Let's give Joe Cairo a big hand. Is everybody ready to make history? We can do it. We can do it, and I'll tell you why. Because it's the right time with the right candidate, okay? We got the best candidate. We got the better man. We should go on to victory because of him leading us and each and every one of you. If you do your job, he's going to win. He's going to win. Now, you see I got this tie on. This tie is a tie. It's a fox hunt, okay? It's a fox hunt. Now, I'm a very careful dresser each and every day. I like to match what I'm wearing, and sometimes I have a message and a theme. I have the fox on my tie for a reason. Because the fox has been in the chicken coop too long. And we gotta get the fox out. We gotta get him out. And I'm telling you this, when Ali, not if Ali, when Ali becomes our county legislator, we're going to do amazing things down here because you're going to have a county legislator who cares about you, not about himself, not about his family, but about you and making this a better place. Who's this young man? Who's this young man? Come here. Come on up. Not you, him. Come here. You know why we have to win the election? Not for ourselves, for him, for our kids and our grandchildren, to make this a better community. This community is a great community, but it could do much better. This community has tremendous potential. All it needs is a leader. And you're going to have that leader. Yes. So get out and do what you have to do. Let's Ali, our next legislator. Ali!
County legislator to be Sheharyar Ali!
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you to our great county executive, Bruce Blakeman. So I'd like to begin in the name of God, as I always do, because without God, nothing's possible. Because of God, we're all here. So my name is Sheharyar Ali. I'm running for county legislator in the 3rd District, Elmont, North Valley Stream, Central Valley Stream, and South Floral Park. I'm an attorney by profession, as the chairman said. I was a former prosecutor at the Brooklyn District Attorney's Office, and now I'm a county attorney at the Nassau County Attorney's Office. I'm already advocating and fighting for all of you in my role as a deputy county attorney, because it's my job to represent you, the taxpayers. So, I'm blessed and honored to have someone like the chairman in my corner. He's been a mentor, he's been a friend. Sometimes he'll call me up and say, hey kid, you hanging in there? Is everything okay? And that says a lot about his character, the type of man he is, and why the Republican Party is so successful in Nassau County. It's because we have a leader like him. So, the issues this year are on our side. People are fed up with the crime. People are fed up with the quality of life here in Elmont, Valley Stream, and South Floral Park, right? People want to see change. People want to see a difference. We have somebody who's been in there since 2011. Since 2011, he's been telling you, I'm going to lower your taxes. I'm going to make your neighborhood safer. I'm going to clean up the streets. It's 2023. What has he done? Absolutely nothing other than look out for himself. He's been lying to us. He's been making false promises to us, but his time is up. Because this year, we're going to give him everything we got. We've been knocking on doors since April. We've been making phone calls. We've been hitting the streets. People are fed up. I want to thank my Elmont crew here, my Valley Stream crew here, my Floral Park crew here. These guys have been out there with me. They see it firsthand. We're flooding Elmont, Valley Stream, South Floral Park with our side. And it's time that this district becomes Republican again. We can't do it. I need each and every one of you. We have a coach in the chairman. I'm blessed with a great team. We got Kate Murray over here. We have Judge McGrath over here. We have the county executive, Bruce Blakeman. I have a team that's helping me, but I need all of you. We got 2 more weeks left. We got to get out there. We got to knock on doors. We got to make phone calls. We got to make sure we get people to the polls. So early voting begins on October 28th, and it's up until November 5th. And for our district, we have Elmont Library, and we have Valley Stream Presbyterian Church. Our target, and I know we can do it, our target for early voting is 500 voters a day. And we're gonna do it. Are we gonna do it? Yeah! Perfect. So please, I hope you all enjoyed tonight, and thank you.
Thank you. Let's do it. Sheharyar Ali.
So honored to be here amongst all of you. My only regret is that I can't vote early and I can't vote often for Sheharyar Ali because I would. He is a great guy, and more importantly, he is one of you. Let's make history. Let's send the first South Asian legislator to Mineola. And I want to thank our great chairman, Joe Cairo, for finding Sheharyar Ali. He is a gem. I am so proud to be running with him. This is my 15th campaign. This is Sheharyar's first campaign, and I have to tell you, I am so honored to be standing shoulder to shoulder with Sheharyar. He's a great guy.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.